Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be opening some Christmas presents together. I'm so excited about it. So SNS have very kindly sent me over this, which, can we just, how amazing is this sack of presents? It's got my name on it and everything, so thank you so much for this. So in case you're new around here and you're not sure who SNS are, basically they are a company that links up brands and influencers, and they very kindly sent me over this absolutely massive sack of presents from some of their brands. So let's open them together, shall we? They're all individually wrapped. How sweet is this? Whoever had the job of wrapping these presents, I'm taking my hat off to you now, because that is a job and a half. Oh, I'm so excited. By the way, guys, I know that I've done a lot of videos recently where I'm just showing you stuff. Don't worry, we are going to be getting back into doing normal videos soon. But I know you guys love a good haul. Oh, we've got some products from W7. We've got their On the Rocks Neutrals on Ice Eye Colour Palette. Oh, I really like the shades in here. Look at those khaki greens. This teal blue. There's some gorgeous matte shades in here and a couple of shimmer shades. That's gorgeous. It puts me in mind of, is it the Anastasia Subculture palette? Which I haven't actually tried, but the colours are very similar. And W7 are a very affordable brand. So yeah, cheeky little dupe there perhaps. And yeah, it comes with this brush as well, which I dropped out of it. Then I've got their Glow Commotion Shimmer Highlighter Eyeshadow. That's a pretty colour. I do like me a multi-use product. I quite often use my highlighter as an eyeshadow just on the daily. And then I've got their Honolulu Bronzer. Have any of you guys tried W7 products before? Because I have never ever tried them, but I know that they are quite popular. So you get a little brush in here and got your bronzer in there. Oh, it's all sealed and packaged nicely, but it's just a simple matte bronzer. Very nice. Could also be another cheeky little dupe. So next up, I've got this gift from Phyto. Phyto are a French hair care brand that specialise in botanical treatments. So I've got their Exceptional Cream for Dry, Damaged Hair. I'm pretty sure this is a leave-in conditioner. Look at that packaging. That is gorgeous. It's so heavy and luxurious feeling. I also have their Phyto 9 Nourishing Day Cream with 9 plants for ultra dry hair. And it says, apply to towel dried hair or dry hair, emulsify a pea-sized amount of product in the palm of your hands, distribute through hair, focusing on the ends, style as usual. So I guess this is like a styling cream. And then I've got their finishing hairspray as well, so I'm really excited to try this brand out. I haven't tried anything from this brand before, but they contain like all good ingredients, no nasties or anything like that, which is what I like. Next up, I've got some products from Sienna. They are a tanning brand. I tried them out a good couple of years ago now, and I really liked their products. I think they sent me some over and I really enjoyed them, so I'm excited to try these out. I've got their 1 hour self-tan tinted mousse. You guys know I like a tanning mousse. And I've also got their tan primer, which helps hide telltale self-tan signs on hands, elbows and ankles. So you're supposed to gently smooth a small amount over hands, elbows, knees, ankles and any other dry areas. That is what I need in my life. I don't actually have anything like this, and I quite often get tan just here and it's so annoying, so I'm very happy about this. I won't have to like scrub it with a towel like I normally do. And I've also got one of their self-tanning mitts as well, which is always very handy. Next up, I've got the Super Duper Nourishing Coconut Body Butter. It's got shea butter, coconut water, soothing kukui seed oil, no artificial colours, no mineral oil, derived from more than 97% natural ingredients, and this is for very dry skin. I've actually tried some of Super Duper's products before and I love them. Oh my, that smells so tropical. Anything with coconut in, shea butter, I love. And I love like a good thick body butter at this time of year. So this will be getting well used. Thank you so much for this. I need to give it another sniff. Oh, the smell of coconut is just divine. Next, I've got this package from Skinsider, which is another brand that I haven't tried before. How nicely is this package? It smells amazing. Ooh, I'm really excited to know what's in here. There's a little note in here and it says, I'm Carolina, founder of Skinsider Cosmetics. I'm extremely excited to introduce you to the best and newest beauty products coming straight from South Korea. We've travelled to Seoul, the mecca of Asian natural beauty, did the research and tested all of the products especially for you. Our passion is not only delivering great products, but providing you with a whole new level of confidence in your own skin. If you can hear that siren, I apologise, guys. Oh, fab. I love a bit of K-beauty, you know. So I've got their Legume, not too little, not too much, Cell Up Micro Foam Cleanser. Okay, you guys know I'm into my skincare, so I'm very excited to give this a try. Korean beauty is all about that like natural, gorgeous, kind of like glassy skin look. So I'm expecting good things from this. Ooh, and then I've got their Glow Oil Serum. I love a serum and I love an oil, so very excited about this as well. How nice is that packaging? I love that. This is what smells amazing. That smells so good. It says it's a soothing oil serum that contains calendula oil and chamomile oil that's great for sensitive skin, maintains clear and bright skin. I'm very excited about this. Is it calendula or calendula? Calendula oil, yeah, that's the one. Next I've got some products from Nature's Dream. So I've got the Elefixia Repairing and Preventing Anti-Stretch Marks Cream. This is meant to restore and protect the skin. It's hypoallergenic and it contains 99.6% natural ingredients, which is great. And that is $15.99. I also have the Nature Tint Dry Shampoo, which adds volume and texture to hair. This is something I'm really excited about. I do like trying natural beauty products and I'm always on the hunt for like new ones to give a go, and I'm really excited about this. I've never actually tried a natural dry shampoo before, and dry shampoo is something that I use all the time. So this has rice and barley starch in, which absorbs excess oil, and oat extract to strengthen and moisturize. And this is $9.99. Oh, and then I've got a face mask. This is the Natura Siberica Black Cleansing Face Mask. So this is for dry or sensitive skin. It says this luxurious organic certified mask replenishes dry or sensitive skin by harnessing the power of activated charcoal. And this is $13.99, and that just looks like this. Again, love a bit of skincare, so I'm very excited to give this a go. My skin does tend to get a little bit drier throughout winter time, although I do have kind of combination skin, but I tend to use hydrating masks around the perimeters of my face and then a more cleansing one in the middle, so I will give this a try. And then I've got the Fillerina Grade 2 Eye and Lip Contour Cream. I've got a little bit of information about this. It says it treats visible wrinkles and expression lines and improves uneven skin tone area around the eye and lips. So that's cool if you're just starting to get wrinkles and things. I've got a couple more products from Duper. So the body butter was just in on its own. I think it had fallen out of the present, but I also have these as well, which I'm super excited about. I've got their ginger and sea salt body scrub. I'm actually nearly out of my body scrub that I've been using at the moment, so that smells so nice. I'm so excited to use that. I've got such an urge right now to just stick my finger in that. And this is formulated without plastic microbeads, parabens, SLS, SLES, and a load of other nasties, so I'm very, very excited about this. And then I have their Rich and Creamy Shea Butter Body Wash. I'm also nearly out of shower gel, so very excited about this. This has got sweet almond oil, shea butter suds, and pressed vanilla pods. It kind of sounds like it's going to smell amazing. Shall we give it a little sniff? Guys, I want to eat this. Oh my gosh. You need this. You need to go and give this a sniff. It smells unbelievable. It's so like desserty. Oh. Next we've got a couple of products from Crystal Clear Skincare. I've got their Deep Cleanse Gel and their 10-minute glow. What's that? Stunning skin in just 10 minutes. This amazing peel off mask leaves your skin radiant and hydrated with a glow that lasts. I've got a little note from them. It says, Merry Christmas from Crystal Clear. We hope you enjoy using our skincare products as much as our CEO Sharon. Please feel free to offer a 10% discount to your loyal subscribers using the code Christmas10. I'll link that down below, guys, along with all of these products that I'm mentioning. Thank you so much for these. I'm really excited to give them a try. Oh, I love that all of these are packaged. It's so nice. This says, to Kate, Merry Christmas, love ColourPop. We love a bit of ColourPop around here. So what do we have? Ooh, we've got the Slay Day Shayla times ColourPop lip bundle. What is in here? Are these lip glosses? Yes! Ooh, this one's a lip gloss. This one's called Drippin'. How gorge is that colour? And this one is called Season 10. It's one of their ultra matte lips. I love ColourPop's lip products, by the way, guys. They're so amazing. And we also have this gorgeous purple shade, which is called Shady, which is also an ultra matte lip. Look at these shades, how pretty. And then we've got the Brown Sugar Carucci times ColourPop. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I think it's Carucci. And this is the Brown Sugar Pressed Powder Palette. Ooh, those are my type of shades. I love those. And then we've got the Crush On You Super Shock Highlighter Palette. ColourPop's Super Shock highlighters are amazing. Like, so amazing, guys. And that is what this looks like. Oh, I'm so excited to use these, you know. Like this goldy shade. Yes, please, give me a bit of that. I really want to put a little bit of dripping on now. This looks like such a gorgeous gloss. Shall we try this out? I really, really do like ColourPop's glosses. I actually have another one of the Shayla ones. I've got the shade Neat Freak. Oh gosh, look at that. These smell amazing as well. They smell like vanilla. So nice. Love that. These glosses are not sticky at all, by the way. I love them so much. Next up, we've got a present from DermaFlash. Ooh, it says, our innovative at-home derma planning device removes dead skin cells, build-up debris, and pesky peach fuzz, creating a flawless canvas for skincare and makeup. I have so much peach fuzz here. Like, I'm pretty sure, like, you can see it in pictures sometimes. Like, if the sun is shining in the right direction, I literally look like Santa. It doesn't really bother me, but like, I could try removing it. So it's like a facial shaver thing. I have seen people use these online, you know, and I've seen them used in like facials and stuff as well. So this is an at-home one. I'm actually really excited about this. They're supposed to make your skin really soft and smooth and just remove like all dead skin cells, like any peach fuzz, like I said, and people swear by these. So yeah, I might just give this a little try. This is award-winning as well, and it's dermatologist recommended, and I've got these little resurfacing peel pads in this really, really cute little pocket as well. How nice is this? So I guess you just use these afterwards. It contains their pre-flash, which is like a cleanser, and then it contains the actual DermaFlash, which is the product, and then you've got post-flash, which is like a post-treatment hydrating and balancing cream. And next up we have the biggest one from Assome, which I haven't tried before. It's like awesome, but for your bum. Oh my gosh, so this says, create an ass you'll love with the new Assome ultrasonic technology massager. And it's got 3 little pictures of bums, basically, and it says it's ultrasonic deep cellulite reduction, yes to that, 3-in-1 radio frequency and firming and slimming, yes please, and LED airbrushing. We need to try this out, don't we? Oh my gosh, shall we do a video on this? Is that a bit much? Don't really want to be getting me arse out on YouTube, to be fair, especially not at this time of year. I definitely don't have my summer body, so I can definitely do with this at the moment. Right, so it comes with this little box which includes your accessories, which is your USB cable and a user manual, and then this is the actual device. Like, have you seen this? It looks proper snazzy. It's not going to be charged up, is it? Or is it going to have a little bit? Oh my god, look at that. That looks so high tech. Oh my god. Oh my god, like I want to use this, but I don't know how. So in this packet, you get your ultrasonic absorption gel, which you obviously, ooh, that smells pretty damn good. And you also get the Zero Cellulite Ultrasonic Serum, the Zero Fat Ultrasonic Serum, and the Zero Gravity Ultrasonic Serum. So I guess you use these with the device. I'm gonna figure this out and I'm gonna give this a go because this is exciting me a lot. So I just want to say thank you so much to SNS and all of the brands who sent me lovely Christmas presents. I'm so excited to try all of these things out, and yeah, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment, let me know if you did, and give it a cheeky little thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!